Hey, it's Sammy. On December 5th, we took 5 trades in YM Futures or the Dow for 201 points today. Let's take a look. This trade was a pre-market trade. We started getting our data lining up as we were coming through that first deviation band, coming down to this sell zone. Just like all of our trades, we're going to go ahead and move that stop loss into profit to protect the trade. Now, because this is pre-market and there's not a ton of volume, we do have the data, but we're going to go ahead and lock in. There's a sell zone and a pink line is the pivot line. We're going to lock in 28 points. This is our second trade today. This is right after the open. We can see that we ran all the way up into the deviation lines and we're coming right back through. All the data has decayed and is now flipping to the negative side. We're going to move that stop loss into our profit to protect the trade since we're at the open and our data is really turning to the short side now. So we're breaking through all of these deviation areas from VWAP essentially. So that's why you're seeing so much price action. We're hitting this 50 Fibonacci level with this third VWAP band here for deviation. So we're going to go ahead and lock in 54 points. Now you can see we've actually bottomed out and we're going to go long from here. So we've hit pivot, we've hit deviation bands, and we're coming back up through VWAP, which is this pink line. All of our short data has decayed. Now we're working with short time frame data going the long direction. So we're taking a low of day reversal. We've got the trade protected. We've got a 2-point stop loss on the positive side above our entry. So we're just going to let this trade play out. We can see we're picking up more and more data across time frame. Now this is our first deviation band to the high side. Once we break through this, we're going to go ahead and lock in 49 points. You can see that trade made it all the way up to that aqua line, which is our second deviation band. We are now rolling over and you can see that we have short time frame, short data again as we're coming back down. And we're coming down to this deviation band right at the 61.8. We're going to go ahead and lock in 36 points for our fourth trade. This is our fifth and final trade for the day. This is actually a continuation of the last trade we were just in. You can see we've picked up multiple time frames of momentum. We've got multiple time frames hitting sentiment, and we're going to go ahead and take this down to that take profit zone right down there, that gold line. And we're going to go ahead and lock in 34 points on this trade.